As I plan for retirement, I'm pausing to celebrate the progress I've made so far. Not the big milestones, though those matter too, but the small wins. The quiet victories. The moments that might not make headlines, but have moved me forward in meaningful ways. Because in a transition this big, every step counts. And sometimes, the most powerful thing I can do is stop, look back, and say, I've come a long way. This journey hasn't been linear. There have been bursts of clarity and stretches of doubt. Days when I felt energized and organized, and others when I felt overwhelmed or stuck. But through it all, I've kept showing up. I've kept asking the hard questions. I've kept choosing to prepare, to reflect, to grow. And that deserves to be acknowledged. Progress isn't always loud. Sometimes it whispers. And those whispers matter. They're the gentle reminders that growth doesn't have to shout to be real. A quiet shift in perspective, a subtle change in rhythm, a small act of courage. These are the whispers that shape transformation. In retirement, I'm learning to honor the subtle victories, the quiet resilience, the whispers that tell me I'm moving forward even when the world doesn't notice. I think about the first time I opened a blank notebook and wrote the words retirement planning. That was a win. I didn't have a roadmap, just a sense that something important was beginning. I think about the day I started my retirement binder, gathering documents, making lists, facing the practical side of this transition with courage and care. Another win. Each page, each note, each checklist was a step toward clarity. There was the moment I told a close friend I was retiring, and we toasted to the future. The afternoon I walked through my home and imagined how I wanted it to feel in this next chapter. The night I stayed up late dreaming about what I might create, learn, or explore once I had more time. Each of those moments was a spark, a step, a sign that I was moving forward. And sparks, when gathered, become light. Even the hard conversations about money, about health, about legacy have been wins. Not because they were easy, but because I had them. Because I didn't avoid them. Because I chose clarity over comfort. That's worth celebrating. It's proof of resilience. Facing what's difficult is itself a victory. And then there are the emotional wins. The day I let myself cry about leaving behind a role I loved. The morning I woke up and felt excited instead of anxious. The quiet moment when I realized I was no longer afraid of the unknown, just curious. These aren't things I can check off a list, but they matter. They mark the inner work of transition. The kind of growth that doesn't always show, but changes everything. Celebrating small wins isn't about pretending everything's perfect. It's about honoring the effort, the intention, the resilience. Each step forward, no matter how small, is proof of courage. Proof that I'm choosing growth, choosing presence, choosing joy. In retirement, victories aren't measured by scale, but by spirit. And when I pause to celebrate, I remind myself that progress is worth more than perfection. It's about saying, I did that, even if it was just one drawer organized, one phone call made, one limiting belief released. It all adds up. And when I look back, I see not just progress, but momentum. Momentum that carries me forward into the next chapter. So today, I'm pausing. I'm flipping through my journal. I'm rereading notes I've written to myself along the way. And I'm saying thank you to the version of me who started this journey, and to the one who keeps going. Gratitude, I've learned, is the fuel that turns small wins into lasting confidence. Because retirement isn't just a date on the calendar. It's a process, a transformation, a shift from urgency to presence, from deadlines to discovery, from performance to permission. Transformation doesn't happen overnight. It unfolds in rhythms, in choices, in the courage to embrace change. And in this season, I'm not just retiring from work. I'm transforming into a new way of living, where freedom and meaning walk hand in hand. And every step, no matter how small, is part of that unfolding. Each win is a brushstroke on the canvas of this new life. And when I step back, I see not just isolated victories, but a picture of growth, courage, and hope. If you're on this path too, I invite you to pause and celebrate your own small wins. Write them down. Speak them out loud. Share them with someone who gets it. You've done more than you think, and you're further along than you realize. Because the journey isn't measured only by the destination. It's measured by the steps, and every step is worth celebrating. Each choice, each rhythm, each moment of presence becomes part of the story. Retirement isn't a single milestone. It's a mosaic of small victories, of daily joys, of steady progress. And when I pause to honor each step, I realize the journey itself is the destination.